Good morning class. How are you? Okay. I am Premlata, your SS teacher. We are discussing ninth class history chapter first, the French Revolution. So in yesterday's topic we have discussed the directory rules and abolition of monarchy system. Today we will discuss the same time period and the role of women during the revolution time period. Did the women participate in revolution or not? Which type of impact on the life of women during the reign of terror? Which type of lifestyles was there? How they were reacting against the monarchy system? What they were doing at that time? Were they taking participate in political issues or not? Let me start. Chapter name, The French Revolution. Topic, did women have a revolution? Yes, because of after formation of the monarchy constitution 1791, society was divided into two parts, passive citizens and active citizens. So women were denied this time also. They were not having political rights. They were not taking participate in public issues. So they formed their own political clubs. They sit together and discuss in coffee houses and tea shops also. Olympie de Gouges, that was the famous revolutionary woman of that time period. She was against the social rules and the administrative rules after the making of the monarchy constitution 1791. So with the help of that person, other women also formed near about 60 women clubs. Here three important points. Convent. Convent were the buildings which were used for the religious ceremonies. Active citizen, those persons who are paying the taxes to the state, 3 days wages, 3 days labor without wages and above the age of 25 years, main candidate. These were the active citizen. Passive citizen, all the women, and those persons below the age of 25 years not able to pay the taxes and not able to do work for the states without any wages for 3 days. These were counted in the passive citizens. So that was the main cause, because women were included in the passive category. So during that time period, reign of terror, forced the women clubs were set up by the forces of the Robespierre. So women were against that. The Olympie de Gouges was also executed in 1793. Women were disappointed from the 1791 constitution. They were denied this time. They were demanding for the equal wages for equal task and political rights. They also want to participate in the election of assembly. So what happened in their lifestyles? What they have done? At that time, the schooling was compulsory for the girl child, so that they can be educated, they can take their own decisions, they can be the active members of the society. Next one was divorce became legal at that time period. Now both men and women both are having right to apply for the divorce. Next one is political rights and equal wages. This time period, for these rights, the women has to go for a long journey. They were able to get the political rights in 1946. Till that they were struggling. Not in France but in other parts of the world also, women were denied from the political rights. Only men were having such kind of rights. So they were demanding for their rights. So Indian government also inspired from these changes in the history of France. When India got independence, when the Republic government formed At that time, the Indian government provided equal rights for women, for equal wages for equal tasks, and political rights also on 26 January 1950. So on the behalf of today's video, you will be right that the role of women during the revolution time period specify during the reign of terror, and you will write a short note on Olympe de Gouges. Thank you. Have a nice day.